smoke right now. No, the fire never reached just yet, but it's the whole housing area is like smoked out because the fire is heading right to, I don't know whose house is that, the gray one?
Green. It's green.
Oh my gosh, it's right there. It's maybe about 100 yards away. Your guys' house is pretty safe. But it's that, quiet! It's that top white house,
And the
the
green
top
one.
gray one. All of those houses right now. Oh my gosh, it's like ridiculous. Did you guys hear anything yet? The wind is like picking up right now, and it's like
Going right through your house.
yards.